Checking if an environment variable exists and is set to true. So, I want to check and verify if a given variable ABC exists and that it's true. If the variable exists and is false, then I want it to go to else. Here is how I got it to work in Python. Is there a better way to do it? You can check to see if the variable is in the dictionaries returned by globals and locals. Thank you to Aaron for reminding me to add the full code. For a local variable. For a global variable. For an environment variable. More information here. This URL, this URL.
You can use false is the default value if ABC is not an env.
You could use a try except block.
It's enough get it from env, I think.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.